wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Selena wig from Envy in the color lighter red. This is an Envy hair wig, so it's going to be 70% heat-friendly synthetic and 30% human hair. And you might be wondering, well, what's the advantage of having human hair in the blend? Well, that's because human hair discharges static really nicely, and it also doesn't trap heat as much as traditional synthetic does. So it helps make the fiber a little bit more resistant to styling damage, and it also prevents a little bit of clumping here at the bottom. You'll still get some, but it won't be quite as bad as a 100% Futura heat-friendly synthetic wig might be. This is a beautifully layered style. It's a little thinned out at the bottoms, gently curled, though it can be heat styled. Also has this beautiful front. It's a little bit of a thick front, so just so you know, it's got quite a bit of hair up here. That's pretty much par for the course for Envy styles. Beautiful layering though. Look at the layering on the top here. It's very beautifully feathered and kind of cascades into this lovely, luscious curl. This wig is tight on me, which means that to me this will fit true to average. So, you know, if you don't have an average large cap size like I do, this will probably fit you like a glove. Let me go ahead and do 360 so you can see what Selena in lighter red looks like on all sides, and then I'll tell you about the cap construction. This looks really pretty. You get pretty decent side coverage, but again, this is made for someone who has a slightly smaller head than I do. No lace front. This is a open capped wig. That's to make it a little bit more affordable for folks. So let me show you that cap construction. See, generous band of felt here at the front hairline. We've got a lot of hair here on the front. See how close together all these tracks are? Bit of permatease up here at the crown. We've also got open wefted sides and back. This does not have an extended nape, it goes straight across. It has Velcro adjusters though, so there is felt back there for the Velcro. And it does have a fair amount of stretch here in the back area. It's just the wig on the whole tends to fit a little bit on the smaller side. Here's what the top of this wig looks like. So there is permatease up here on the top, because this is basically a product line they created to make it a little bit more enticing to buy the Envy hair products, because it's a really nice fiber blend. It's just, if you have an expensive fiber blend and an expensive cap construction, you end up with a very expensive wig. And they wanted to make an entry-level product line that could help get people to try the hair without having to, you know, donate a kidney to science in order to get it. So I like this. I think it's very pretty. It's a little tight, but the style is very classic, very feminine, and I think it would look very nice in a low pony. So I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com, bring you all kinds of wig reviews and color spotlights. If that's the sort of thing that intrigues you, make sure you subscribe and check out our wig store sometime to support the cause. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye, thanks for watching.